Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Uh, Today I come up with a new problem. Okay, so we will look into that and we will try to resolve it, try to solve it. Okay, yeah. So this problem is really a good one, and it's like mostly it is asked in interview like with big in big companies like Amazon, Facebook, and all. I have learned, I have seen this, problem on Greek for Greek, okay, website where like it was quite popular, okay, and it's tricky. Okay, so here, okay, let me go directly to the problem. So the problem is, given an array of size n, okay, and the task is to find the sum of the contiguous subarray within a array with the largest sum. So the problem name is largest sum contiguous subarray. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Today onward I am going to make the video in English. Okay. So I'm not going to make a video in the Hindi version. If you still want to Hindi version, you can comment me. I will do for you guys. But yeah. Uh, for now I'm starting in English so that everyone can understand, even the person who don't know Hindi. Okay, but yeah, you still need a Hindi version, then I will make video for you. Just comment it and let me know. Okay, yeah, I was where I was. Oh, yeah, I was in. Okay, explain the problem. So that's this, like, suppose you have a given this array. Okay, this is array you have a given. Okay, and from this array we have to figure out that the sub array, okay, and which have a like maximum sum value, you can say. So largest sub array sum problem. So like suppose if you see in this array, this sub array, if you summing this array you will get 7. That would be the maximum value. If you like sum this array, you will not get largest sum. You will again you will like add this one, you will not get largest one. So we have to figure out that uh, largest sum value. Okay, so like how you can do that. And the main problem, like main expected time complexity would be order of n. So like we want to solve this problem. Okay, with order of n time complexity. Okay, okay, before going to the directly to solve the problem with this complexity, I will talk about the brute force. Okay, so when we do brute force, what will you do? Okay, we will start. Okay, let me explain the brute force. We will start from zero index, and we will create a different sub array from 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3. Okay, and we will got different sub array. And when again from 1 to 2, 2 to 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and so on. So we will get plenty of sub array, and we will sum with sub, we will get some value. Okay, and we will check that which have a max value, and we will say that this is the max value. This would be the brute force. Okay, for the solving the brute force, what we have to do, we have to apply one for loop. Okay, from like for the first index, and for the second index we have to nested another for loop. Okay, so like if you are using a nested for loop, okay, then our time complexity will be order of n square. Okay, so we want to solve this in the one for loop only. So let me clean it this part, and then I will tell you how you can do that with order of n complexity. Okay, so okay, so there is a algorithm that's called a Kadane algorithm. Okay, which help us to solve this problem. Okay, with the order of n complexity. Okay, So what we want, like, okay, let me expected time complexity should be order of, yeah. Okay, this is our expected. Okay, so yeah, let me go down and I will explain how, like, this algorithm so this is the algorithm, okay, which help you to figure out the max sum. Okay, so yeah, this is the function definition. Okay, so we have a largest sum function name or method. Okay, and we have a given array as an input, and from this array we have to figure out that maximum sum value of sub array. Okay, so for now, at the, yeah, here I am just defining a max sum variable with minus infinity value. That's called a max int. Okay, and here one current value, this would be pointing out the sub array value. This is the global sum, where like we will keep that like last, or maybe the max sum. And but yeah, whenever we want to figure out the sum sub array sum, then we will keep in this. I will show you how it will work. So I'm just keeping this 0. Now we start one for loop for the array. Okay, so here for value in array. So first time, like suppose you have a value -2, -3, 4. I don't remember what next one is. Yeah, -1, -2. Okay, then -1, -2. I hope 5 and 1, maybe 5, 1, and -3. I hope so. Let me check that. Yeah, okay, sorry, I just wrote opposite. Okay, yeah, so this is 1 and 5. So at the starting, our max sum is minus infinity. Okay, and current sum is 0. So what we here we have started the for loop. Okay, then like first time I will get value, first value of array A. Okay, array, so I will get -2. So I will add the -2 in the current sum. That would be -2. Our current value would be -2. Next line will be okay, let me go up. Yeah, next line is check if current sum is greater than max sum. So if you see here, I am checking this condition. Okay, if max sum is greater than, sorry, current sum is greater than max sum, yes, then we are replacing okay, we are assigning this current sum value to the max sum. Okay, then this infinity will be -2. Okay, I will check that this one. If current sum is less than 2, like this condition is going to tell that if the any sub array would have a negative value, some negative value. Okay, like after summing that value of sub array, we are getting a negative value. Then we are going to uh, you know destroy the sub array, and we will start fresh from, like suppose here we got here -1. Then this will not going to help us to create any a max sum sub array. Okay, again we will start from here, then it will not going to help. But if we start from here, this will be positive, then it may help us to add some positive value in sub array. So we will keep that. So that way, like whenever we are getting a current sum max is less than 0, then we are assigning current sum with the 0 value. So now we got it -2, which which is satisfying this condition. Then we are assigning this current sum with 0. Next time I go in the second value, now we got -3. If you see here, -3. Okay, yeah, then if we are adding that minus 3 into current sum, then we will get this minus 3. Okay, we will assign this current sum with minus 3. We will check that current sum is greater than max sum. This condition will false, then we will come here. Okay, this condition will satisfy, then again we will replace minus 3 with 0 value. Okay, next time we go to this this value 4. Okay, then we will sum this 4, add this 4 value into current sum. So now our value would be 4, current sum value will be 4. Okay, now we will check the condition, it will satisfy because current sum is 4. Okay, which is maximum from which is greater uh, than maximum. So we will like assign maximum with current sum, this will be 4. Okay, if you check this condition, this will false, then we are not going to assign this current sum is equal to 0, so we are not going to assign it with 0 value. Okay, then it will go up, then we will got minus 1. Okay, then we will sum with current sum. So now we will assign this value with minus 3 because 4 and plus minus 1, then it will be the 3. Okay, which is not greater than maximum, then we will not going to replace maximum. Okay, and even it is not negative, then we are not going to assign 0 to current sum. Next time we are here, okay, minus 2, then our current sum value would be 1. Okay, this would be the 1. Again it is not maximum, and even it is not negative, then we will go to next one. This time the our value will be you know 2. After adding 1, it will be 2. Still it is not maximum. Okay, and even it is not negative, then it will like we will go to next value. So now we will have 5. Okay, we will have a 5, then our current sum would be 7. Okay, 5 plus 2 would be 7. So this would be the 7, and we will check current sum is greater than maximum. Yes, it has a maximum. Then what we'll do? We will replace this maximum with current sum value. So this would be the 7. Okay. Next time it's not a less than current sum, then this condition will not execute. Okay, sorry. Like this condition will not satisfy. So we will go next line. Okay, again the next value, that will be the minus 3. Then our current sum value would be 4. So this would be 4, this line executed. So 7 minus 3. Okay, that would be the 4. It is this condition will not satisfy because current sum is not greater than max sum. Okay, and this condition will not satisfy. It will go next, but there is no value. Then we will come out of for loop, and we will return the max sum value. What is the max sum? This 7. Then this value, like this will return 7 value. Okay, so this is a way you can you can get it. Okay, that's called a cadence algorithm. Okay, okay, here I haven't printed from where the sub array started and where that sub array ended. Okay, so it I hope you will able to solve it. Okay, so for you guys, it kind of homework, I can say. Like, what you will do, you have to print the largest sum, largest sub array sum. Okay, along with, sorry, along with index from where that sub array start and sub array end. Like from here, this one to this one, like if we are adding this sub array, then we are getting, so we have to print this and this index. Okay, so this would be of homework for you. Let's see, if you're not able to solve it, I will help you to solve it. Okay, I will make you a video for you guys. Okay, yeah, so that's all for today. And also, like, you can comment for any problem. Okay, I will try to resolve that, I will try to make a video if you find any new problem or new challenges. Okay, thank you guys. And yeah, please like and subscribe my video and share with your friends so that they can also uh, able to learn this problem solving, okay, questions. Okay, thank you.